Tired of obsessing over every penny? The bucket strategy simplifies your finances by dividing your income into 3 clear categories: necessities, lifestyle, and savings. No more spreadsheets, no more anxiety. Just effortless budgeting that works in the background. Set up your 3 buckets once and let them do the heavy lifting. Your bills land in the essentials bucket, your treats go into lifestyle, and your future self is sorted with automatic savings. Gentle organization means you never have to track a thing. Enjoy financial freedom without the daily grind of monitoring your spending. The bucket strategy gives you peace of mind, one smart allocation at a time. Less stress, more color in your life. It is the simplest path to effortless money management. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.